Strategic planning in the human resource function is very important for the company's success. A big example would include recruitment and retention. A strategic plan sets both long-term and short-term goals for a company. When creating a strategic plan, the dynamic external environment needs to be understood, and some examples include customers, society, technology, labor markets, economics, and shareholders. Human resource managers also need to know the business and the business's needs. An example would be the mission, statement, and the value of both the company and the departments within the company. Without having a strategic plan in place, hiring staff that fit in the position available and keeping the staff happy could be a huge problem. Staffing is a huge part of success in a company. Be a successful strategic planner. Make it applicable, be a strategic partner, involve people, and understand how technology is used.